Learn how to effortlessly install your IP65 ceiling light with this step-by-step guide. From adjusting the color temperature to securing the mounting bracket, we've got you covered. Follow these quick steps to illuminate your space in no time. Step 1. Back of the product. Locate the back of your IP65 ceiling light. This is where the installation process begins. Step 2. Disassemble the junction box shell. Carefully disassemble the junction box shell to access the internal components. Step 3. Adjust the color temperature. Customize your lighting experience by adjusting the dial code to the desired color temperature. Choose from warm yellow, Y equals 3000 K, white yellow, WY equals 4000 K, or cool white, W equals 6500 K. Step 4. Wire and install the junction box shell. Follow the provided instructions to wire the components and securely install the junction box shell. Step 5. Pull up the mounting bracket. Elevate the mounting bracket into position, preparing for a secure installation. Step 6. Secure the mounting bracket. Once in place, lock in the mounting bracket securely to your chosen position and close the product. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your IP65 ceiling light in just 6 simple steps. Enjoy the enhanced illumination and the aesthetic appeal it brings to your room. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY guides. Happy lighting!